Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video I will be demonstrating the tarot tool with the expanded tarot tile set. This tool is available on 1/2-inch Baltic birch and also on game board stock. Thank you.
So the basic framework of the tarot tool is about the suits, which are represented by these symbols, the numbers and their meaning, and the action symbols on the outside edge of the tool. This tool can be used with our expanded tarot tile set with no color. It can also be used with our expanded tarot tile set with colored corners. It can also be used with our expanded tarot card deck with colored border and our expanded tarot card deck with black border. So on this demonstration I will be using the expanded tarot tile set without color. This tool has a basic layout of 9 points. It is about the suits and the connection point between the suits. So on the first level of reading this tool, it is about the meaning of the tile and the position which it's over. So this is about the number 3. It's about things that are sure. And the suit of wands, which is about the mind and the principle of wisdom. And it is over the major arcana suit, which is about the heart and the principle of understood, for life is understood in the heart. So this is about being sure in the mind, being sure in the principle of wisdom or right choice. So when a person's balanced in their mind and they make right choices, it makes them sure in their life. And that is the heart of the matter on this layout. So that's the first level of reading this tool. We have a worksheet which allows us to take these 9 points and work them out on the bottom for an additional 9 levels of understanding and reading, for a total of 10 levels of understanding. So part of those additional levels is about taking these tiles and placing them where they go on the tool. Each tile represents a point on the tool. Here's the 3 of wands and the 3 of wands. Here's the trumpet of swords, and here is the trumpet of swords, and so forth. Here is the suit of wands and the suit of cups, and it goes right here, which is the cusp between the wands and the cups, the connection point, and so forth. So each one of these tools, or tiles, is placed where it goes on the tool. And so it paints an additional picture as to what's going on with the person and what they need to understand and know. So what it does is allows a person to see what was the most important suit or quadrant, what was the most important pathway, which are represented by these parallel lines. And so that's how this tool is read and understood on multiple levels. Thank you.
Please remember to subscribe and check out our additional videos. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or visit our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.